Alright, so this will be a continuation of the set theory playlist, and this video is going to be on union and intersection, and this kind of picks up from where we left off with just set membership. So basically here I have a set A with 2, 7, and 9, a set B, 2, 4, and 8, and then set C, which just has 10 in it. And basically the way you write, we have to first talk about what a union is. Basically a union is basically, it's essentially a collection of the elements that are contained in both sets. So basically if you want to have a union of two sets, you have to include every element that's in either of those sets has to be included in the union. So basically here, it's better to always see with examples. So basically here, the union of A and B is 2, 4, 7, 8, 9. Notice that the 2 is in A and the 2 is in B. When you write the union, you only need to write an element once. So even though 2 is in both sets, you really only need to specify it once to say that it's common to both. And then you have 4, 7, 8, 9. Of course, 4 is in B. It's not in A, but that doesn't matter. And then you have 7 in A, and then you have 8, and you have 9. And that basically covers every element inside the set. Also, pretty straightforward operation. So basically, you can kind of write, so if X is a member of A, and then X is a member of B, essentially union is kind of a combination of both of those. And so then, of course, the other operation is intersection. And intersection is, kind of what it sounds like. It's really all the elements that are only the elements that are common to both. And the only element that's common to both set A and B is 2. 7 is only in A, 9 is only in A, and 4 is only in B, and 8 is only in B. So that's intersection. And now over here for set C, I have 10. And so when you take the intersection of A and C, you notice that there are no elements in common. And so that introduces another concept called the null set, or the empty set. And basically the null set is just the set that has no elements. That's really what the null set is. And we're going to be working actually a lot with that much later, because it's actually a very important concept. Maybe you don't see it now, but later it will be a very important concept. So basically, you can write a null set in kind of there are two typical ways it's written. And one of them is a circle with a slash through it. And sometimes, you probably see it's more like an oval with a slash through it, but I just draw the circle because I like that better. But basically, this just means the null set. And also, you could have written it as just 2 curly braces with nothing inside of it. That's another alternative notation. So really, A and C, there's nothing in common, and then B and C is also nothing in common. And just to really hit the point home, you could have also just written it like that. These two things really mean the exact same thing. It's just really notation preference. And so that pretty much wraps up this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.